Hey guys, I wanted to go through an example of how to calculate calories if you're given known amounts of fat, protein, and carbohydrate. So for this example, I'm actually using Austin brand toasty crackers with peanut butter. It's basically a 6-pack of peanut butter crackers. And on the food label on the back, you will see that there are 9 grams of fat, 4 grams of protein, and 23 grams of carbohydrate in this package. So in class we've gone through how many calories per gram are in each one of these nutrients. So just as a reminder, we've got 9 calories per gram for fat, we have 4 calories per gram for protein, and we have 4 calories per gram for carbohydrate. So if we take each of the amounts in this food and we multiply those by the caloric density of each one of those nutrients, we can get the calories for each one of these nutrients. So if I take 9 grams of fat that I have in the package and I multiply that by 9 calories per gram, that gives me 81 calories from fat. Doing the protein, 4 grams of protein by 4 calories per gram gives me 16 calories. And then 23 grams of carbohydrate by 4 calories per gram gives me 92 calories. And if I add all these together, I get a grand total of 189 calories. Okay? Now, if I take these numbers, I can use these and determine what percent of calories came from each of the nutrients, fat, protein, and carbohydrates. So I'm going to create a new page here. And just as a reminder, we had fat, let me get this fixed. We had fat, 81 calories from the fat, right? We had protein, and we had 16 calories coming from protein, and we had carbs. We had a total of 92 calories coming from the carbs, and our total calories was 189. So if I take the calories that each one of these nutrients is providing and divide that by the total calories in that food, I'll get a percentage of calories from that product or from that nutrient. So for the percent of calories from fat, if I take 81 and I divide that by 189, or divide that into 189 total calories, I'm going to get 43%. 0.43 is the number you get, but that's 43% of calories coming from fat. Okay? If I do the same thing for the protein, I take 16 and I'm going to divide that by 189. That's going to yield 8% calories coming from protein. And then I do the same thing for the carbohydrates. I've got 92 calories from carbohydrate, and that's into 189. That's going to give me 49% calories from carbohydrate. So we've learned how to calculate calories given known quantities of fat, protein, and carbohydrate in terms of grams. And then from those calories that we calculated, we can determine what percent of calories are coming from each of the calorie-yielding nutrients. So thanks for watching.